Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel is all about tufting, and in today's video we're going to be tufting a My Hero Academia inspired rug. My brother asked me to make this rug of the main character in the anime series Izuku, so I'm going to walk you through all the steps that it takes to make a rug from start to finish. I'm going to look up the image that I'm going to want to tuft, and I'm going to be looking at My Hero Academia Izuku, go to images, and then I'm going to select a fairly simple image that I can tuft. I don't want to pick one like this one since it's cropped, and when I make the rug I don't want my rug to be cropped, so I'm going to try to pick one that has his entire face and hair in it. This one looks like a good one. See if I zoom in, it has his whole face. I think that would be a cool rug, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this one. Now that I've found my image that I'm going to tuft, I'm going to project that image onto my fabric using my computer, which is hooked up to my projector, and from there it will project the image onto the fabric. Here I'm going to get my image ready to project. I'm just going to zoom into the part that I'm wanting to tuft. Now if I were to make multiple rugs of this image, I would crop the image how I want it, and I would set up a projector and I would make maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 rugs, keeping the projector in the same spot so that every single rug is the same size and same consistency. I also wanted to show you guys my shirt. It has our logo and I'm wearing matching shoes, so I just thought that was cool. Here I'm using a Sharpie to outline the entire image, making sure to get every single detail, shadow, and section that has a different color. I'm going to be tufting with our 2-in-1 tufting gun with a speed adjustment. You can find it on our website, rugbabe.com. It is both a cut and loop pile tufting gun, and for today's rug I'm actually going to be tufting in the cut pile setting. It also comes with a speed adjustment, so you can adjust the speed to go as fast or as slow as you are wanting to tuft. And no, it does not come with this sticker. A lot of people have asked if it comes with the sticker. It does not. We do add a sticker in your order, but you can do whatever you want. The sticker, you can put it on the tufting gun or you can put it anywhere else. You can also find other materials like tufting cloth, scissors, needles, and other accessories for your tufting gun on the website rugbabe.com. But other than that, let's get tufting. The first yarn I'm going to be tufting in is in the color Black by Red Heart. I'm going to start by tufting the outline of his hair and then tufting the details of his face, and then using that black color to shade the inside of his hair. This is the back and the front. The next color yarn I'll be using is this green color in the brand, I believe, Karen, and I'm going to use this to shade the inside of his hair. The next color I'm going to be using is this beige color. I think it's a Red Heart. Then Aaron, it's by Red Heart as well, and this is what it looks like from the front and the back. And then I'm going to use this light gray color by Red Heart and white by Red Heart. Then I'll be tufting the inside of his mouth with the color Flamingo by Red Heart and the color Burgundy by Red Heart. I finished tufting my rug. Now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to glue it, and I'm going to be using the Fiber-Lok non-skid rug backing and this little tiny spatula, and I'm just going to take the glue and apply it to the back of the rug. You will only need to cover the back of your rug with one even coat of the glue. I'm making sure to get my glue between all of my lines and about 1 inch from the border of my rug. Once the glue has finished drying, the back should feel like a rubbery texture. Now that I've finished gluing the back of the rug, I'm going to apply this mesh on the back, and it will look like this once it's completed. After experimenting with a bunch of other backings, we found that this one was the coolest one because you can see your artwork in the back and see where you tufted. This is the back of the rug. The glue acts as a binder to bind the mesh to the rug, and it's nice and rubbery and it's non-skid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the mesh and I'm going to hang it using the carpet tack strip. Now that it's nice and hanging, I'm going to take my spatula with a little bit of glue and I'm going to press against the mesh. And the mesh should stick right onto the carpet. Now that the mesh is nice and stuck to the back of the rug, we're going to wait 12 to 24 hours for it to dry, and we'll be back. It's the next day and our rug is completely finished drying. I feel like it most likely finished drying in the middle of the night or in the morning, because when I woke up in the morning, I came to touch it and it was completely dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to cut down the rug like you've probably seen me do in previous videos, or if you're new to this channel, what I usually do is I cut down the rug, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. I'm gonna do a different process, and in order to do that, I'm just going to take down the rug by unhooking it off the frame. You'll notice that the mesh is kind of just peeling off, and that's okay because the mesh is just meant to be glued onto the actual rug part. I don't want to show you guys the other side just yet. I want to save that until we shave the rug, but this is what it looks like from the back. We're gonna lay out our rug on its back, and what we're gonna do is we're not going to do our usual method where we cut an inch around the rug, fold over the edges, glue them, spray glue, put a felt backing, because this is our backing. This is our new unique way that we found is way better than the old way, because you get to see the artwork and it has that grip instead of, you know, doing the felt backing where the rug could slip around. So I'm gonna take my fabric scissors and I'm going to cut as close to the edge as possible. When I'm cutting my rug out, I wanna make sure that I'm putting the edge of the scissors underneath the yarn so that I don't cut it off. So when I'm cutting, I want to make sure that my blade is underneath the yarn instead of over the yarn where I can accidentally cut the yarn. I'm cutting close to the edge and I'm not cutting any of this yarn. I did kind of nick a little bit, but that's because it's kind of stuck to the fabric. So scissors work really great for this, but you can also use a razor blade. I'm going to take my razor and I'm going to pull the fabric and glide the razor against the edge of the rug. And I feel like this gets like a closer cut and it's much faster. This is the back of the rug, and we're gonna shave the other side using this sheep shaver. You can actually purchase this in the link below in my description. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in, and I'm going to flip the rug over and shade it. If you need any support with tufting, or you have a tufting gun that needs a repair, even if you are not a customer, please make sure to email us at support@rugbabe.com where we can offer you that help. But now for the grand reveal. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to check out our website, rugbabe.com, if you are looking to purchase a 2-in-1 tufting gun with the speed adjustment, tufting cloth, and other necessary tufting accessories. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how I made this My Hero Academia rug and of our new rug backing process. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.